Hello everyone. Today we are making travel themed coasters on ceramic tile right here. We need just a few cool materials. Very cheap to make, but they will look expensive. My little obsession in the craft world is washi tape. I probably have 40-50 of these. So we're gonna do 2 different styles, and then we're gonna waterproof it with paint glaze. You can do Mod Podge or glaze sealer. We need a brush, we need scissors to cut the washi tape, and then we need the rubber bumpers to put them in the back, or if you have a hot glue gun, you can hot glue little dots here. So we will get started on 2 different themes.